Are you looking for the best high-velocity portable fan? In this video, we provide detailed reviews of the 4 best high-velocity portable fan to help you easily choose the perfect option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Lasko Pivoting High-Velocity Portable Utility Fan, 12-inch, U12104, black, adjustable air mover blower fan for bedroom, office desk, garage, and home, with 2 outlets 120V, 3 speeds. Brand, Lasko. Color, black. Electric fan design, blower. Power source, corded electric. Style, classic. Room type, basement, garage, gym, home, workshop. Special feature, portable. Recommended uses for product, cooling, drying, exhausting, ventilating. Mounting type, floor mount. Compact yet powerful. Moves serious air wherever you need it. This small portable fan delivers high-velocity airflow in a lightweight design. Delivers up to 289 CFM through 3 speeds, effectively cooling hot, stuffy areas. Adjustable blower. Pivot and aim airflow exactly where it counts. 270-degree pivot lets you direct airflow up, down, or at an angle to target specific areas. Perfect for drying freshly mopped floors or paint after a summer renovation project. Convenient grounded outlets. 2 built-in grounded outlets let you plug in tools or devices right at the fan, eliminating the need for extra extension cords. The 10-foot power cord extends your reach. Built-in safety. ETL listed. This garage fan features a 3-prong grounded plug for reliable operation and added electrical safety, equipped with a circuit breaker and reset button to help protect the motor and electrical components during operation.
Number 2. VEVOR Pivoting Utility Fan, 600 CFM high-velocity floor blower for drying, cooling, ventilating, exhausting. 300-degree blowing angle air mover, portable carpet dryer fan for home, workshop. Brand, VEVOR. Model name, Pivoting Utility Fan, 600 CFM high-velocity floor blower for drying. Electric fan design, blower. Power source, electric. 3 blow speeds, power 115V 60 Hz. This floor blower offers 3 adjustable airflow options, 600, 550, and 440 CFM. With its high-velocity airflow, it can effectively cool, ventilate, exhaust, and dry a space. It brings in fresh air, making you feel cool and relaxed. Pivoting blower. The 300-degree pivot head allows you to direct the airflow wherever you need it the most, whether it's on the floor, ceiling, or wherever you live, work, and exercise. Accessory outlet. The 115V outlet built into this device enables you to connect multiple air movers in series, allowing you to quickly cool down any large room. Additionally, you can conveniently use it to charge your personal devices. Real space saver. The floor dryer comes with a 10-foot power cord, making it easy to move around the room with just one hand. With its compact size of 12.8 inches by 10.2 inches by 11.4 inches, you no longer have to worry about losing space. Fully assembled, ready to use right out of the box. Simply plug the floor drying fan in and start using it. It's perfect for cooling hot or narrow areas such as the attic, kitchen, basement, garage, workshop, and more.
Number 3. Vacmaster AM201 Air Mover and Fitness Fan, 550 CFM drying and cooling. Brand, Vacmaster. Mounting type, portable. Floors, floor. Electric fan design, floor fan. Power source, corded electric. Style, red edition. Room type, bedroom. Special feature, portable. Recommended uses for product, drying. Made for a more efficient drying and cooling process. Powerful airspeed. Max airspeed of 42 miles per hour. Customizable airflow. 3-speed power switch and 3-position design create more targeted airflow for rapid drying and cooling. Extended cleaning reach. 12 feet of cleaning reach with power cord. Connectable design. Includes 2 built-in receptacles for connecting up to 3 units for drying large spaces. Easy transport. Carrying handle for portability. Convenient storage. Stackable design for multi-unit storage.
Number 4. Air King Commercial Grade Pivoting Utility Fan for cooling, ventilating, exhausting, and drying at home, job site, workshop, construction, 3 speeds, 11.25 inches. Brand, Air King. Color, black-gray. Power source, electric. Voltage, 120 volts. Form factor, blower fan. Special feature, 3 powerful speeds, grounded outlets, pivoting head. Noise level, 60 decibels. Included components, user manual. Item weight, 4.5 pounds. Pivoting utility blower with grounded outlets, perfect for any job site. Constructed of molded ABS plastic.
Features 3 speeds with a side-mounted rotary dial switch. 1/16 horsepower, 1-phase blower.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.